Champions, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be tackling multiplication of decimals together. Why are we doing that? Because subsequently we'll be using them in our 11 plus mathematics. Now, in 11 plus maths, we treat decimals whole number first by removing the decimal points. This is what we call ignoring the decimal points. How do we do that? Let's find out together. Example number one says multiply 7.9 times 0.5. Number two says multiply 11.85 by 1 by 12.5. So solution number one, 7.9 times 0.5. We remove the decimal, but before we remove the decimal, we must know how many places the decimal points were before we take it out. In the first number, 7.9, we have a place of decimal, one place of decimal. Add it to the other one. In this one, we have a place of decimal, one place of decimal, giving us two places of decimal. We ought to know this because at the end of our solution, we must bring our decimal point back based on how many places it were in the original question. Now, having done this, we say we treat it as whole number. And we have 79 times 5. And this is equal to 70 times 5 plus 9 times 5. 70 times 5 is 350 plus 9 times 5 is 45. This 2 is 295. Now remember, we are putting our decimal points back. Now 395, bring in two decimal places. 1, 2. Our answer is 3.95. Number 2. Example number 2. 11.85 times 12.5. Remove this 1, 2, 2dp plus 1 dp, giving us 3dp. Now we multiply 1185 times 125, and this is 1185 times 100 plus 1185 times 20 plus 1185 times 5. And this is simply multiply this by 1 and add the 0 to the 0 digits. We have 1185 0 plus multiply by 2 and add your 0. 2 by 5 give us 10. Write your 0, carry 1. 2 by 8, 16 plus 1, 17. Write and carry 1. 2 by 1, 2 plus 1, we have 3. 2 by 2, 2 by 1, 2. Add your 0. So we have 23,000 here. Plus 5, multiply this, we have 5 by 5, 25, write 5, carry 2. 5 by 8, 40 plus 2, 42. Write your 2, carry 4. This by this, 5 plus 4 up, we have 9. This by this, 5. So we sum all this together. Here we bring in our 23 to 700 plus our 5,925. Fill up with 0. Any space, put your 0 so I don't make a mistake. Alright, we continue solving here. 0 plus 5 will give us 5. 0 plus 2 will give us 2. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Write your 1. Carry your 2. Put here. This plus this is 10. 10 plus this is 13. 13 plus this is 18. Write your 8. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. Remember, we have 3DP. So we bring in 3DP. 1, 2, 3. Our final answer is 148.125. Thank you.